Did you know that over 1.5 million bags go missing in U.S. airports every single year? In 2023, a traveler at JFK Airport tracked her lost luggage using an AirTag and discovered it in a private residence, not even near the airport. How did it get there? No one ever explained. The truth is, airports are full of hidden systems, secret perks, and silent policies they don't want you to know about. From lounges you can access without a business class ticket to legal rights they hope you never claim. Today we're revealing 11 airport secrets even frequent flyers don't know. Secrets that could save you time, money, and a whole lot of travel stress. Let's jump into it. Secret number 1. Airlines owe you over $2,000 for lost luggage. If your checked bag goes missing on an international trip, most travelers don't realize they're legally entitled to compensation up to $2,080 under the Montreal Convention. Yes, it's a real treaty. Airlines won't advertise this because they know most people won't push for it. To qualify, you must file a report and keep receipts for what you spent replacing your items. This applies on international trips, or even if your itinerary starts or ends outside the United States. Many travelers are shocked when they find out the airline quietly capped their payout when the law allows for much more. The secret is to reference the treaty in your claim. This immediately escalates your case and shows you know your rights. Most agents won't fight you if you know the rules. If your bag's delayed or lost abroad, don't settle for pennies. You're legally owed much more than they want you to know. Number 2, the fancy Air France lounge at Dulles is open to you. Most U.S. travelers have no idea they can access the Air France KLM lounge at Washington Dulles. No boarding pass for Air France required. This sleek international lounge is open to priority pass holders and offers a premium experience that rivals any domestic airline club. It's got modern design, panoramic views, and a full buffet of snacks, salads, coffee, wine, and beer. You can even freshen up with free showers, a rarity at U.S. lounges. It's located at Concourse A near Gate A22, open roughly 7:30 a.m. to 9 p.m., with a mid-afternoon closure. The best part, most U.S. flyers walk right past it without realizing they're allowed in. While the domestic lounges get crowded and noisy, this one stays calm and under the radar. So next time you're flying through D.C., flash your priority pass and relax like you're flying business class even if you're not. Number 3, get a free nap room with just one app. If you're stuck at the airport for hours, don't waste time slumped in a chair and book a private room at Minute Suites, now at several major U.S. airports like ATL, DFW, PHX, and BWI. These are private pods with a sofa or daybed, fresh linens, dim lights, and even a workspace. Here's the hack. If you have Priority Pass, your first hour is completely free. After that, it's just $28 per hour. Most travelers don't even know these suites exist, and they're never advertised at the terminal. Tired after a red-eye? Just flash your Priority Pass and you've got your own quiet space to rest or nap. No loud terminal announcements, no awkward sleeping positions, just you and silence. Some even have white noise machines and TVs. You'll walk out feeling like a human again. This isn't just a secret, it's a lifesaver for anyone flying on a long itinerary. Number 4, Newark has a secret meditation room. Tucked away in Newark Liberty's newly rebuilt Terminal A is a hidden meditation room, part of the terminal's sensory suite. Most travelers walk by without noticing it's there because it's not listed on the main airport directory. Inside, you'll find soft lighting, ambient music, bubble walls, floor cushions, and gentle design that helps you unwind before or after a stressful flight. Open to everyone post-security, this space is ideal if you need a breather from the chaos of travel or want to relax your kids before boarding. Even frequent flyers are shocked to learn about it. It was added quietly during the 2024 upgrades. Travelers call it one of the most calming rooms in any U.S. airport. Whether you pray, meditate, stretch, or just want peace and quiet, it's your own personal escape. And since hardly anyone knows it exists, it usually stays blissfully empty. Number 5, SFO offers free yoga studios in every terminal. If you're flying through SFO, there's a little-known wellness feature hidden in each terminal-free yoga rooms. Yes, actual quiet rooms with yoga mats, calming decor, and ambient lighting designed for meditation or light stretching. You'll find them in Terminals 1, 2, and 3, for example near Gate E6, open 4 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. And here's the kicker, there's no charge and no registration. Just walk in, unroll a mat, and decompress. It's not just for yogis. Many travelers use them to do breathing exercises, stretch after long flights, or simply sit quietly. Unlike busy lounges, these rooms are serene and usually underused. SFO was the first airport in the world to offer this, but even frequent flyers miss it entirely. Next time you're stuck on a layover, skip the food court chaos. Go stretch, breathe, and reset like a pro. Number 6, hidden lounge at ATL with free showers. Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson is the busiest airport in the United States, but most travelers don't know about the club at ATL, a quiet lounge oasis tucked above Concourse F. This lounge isn't affiliated with any major airline. It's part of Priority Pass, and yes, it includes free showers. Whether you're arriving early from a red-eye or waiting for a long connection, this lounge is a lifesaver. It's got floor-to-ceiling windows, relaxing chairs, hot soup, snacks, drinks, and a shower suite stocked with toiletries. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., and because it's slightly hidden, upstairs above the chapel, it's rarely overcrowded unless you come mid-afternoon when it sometimes hits capacity. Pro tip, go early, grab a window seat, and recharge. Most people walk past the escalator and never realize there's a spa-worthy retreat just a level above. In a chaotic airport like ATL, this secret spot is gold. Number 7, U.S. Customs has a fast lane, but most skip it. The Mobile Passport Control app is one of the most overlooked travel hacks in the U.S. It's completely free and authorized by U.S. Customs and Border Protection. But here's the catch. Less than 10% of eligible travelers use it. Just download the app, scan your passport, answer the customs questions, and submit. When you arrive in the U.S., you'll skip the long customs line and walk straight to the mobile passport lane with no paperwork. No fuss. It works at over 30 airports, including JFK, ATL, LAX, and MIA. And unlike Global Entry, there's no fee or interview. It's the ultimate low-effort travel perk, yet nearly everyone forgets to use it. Frequent flyers swear by it. If you're coming back from an international trip, this app could save you 30 to 60 minutes easily. Download it once, and you'll never go back to filling out that little blue customs form again. Number 8, Clear might be free with your credit card. Clear is the biometric fast lane at TSA, letting you skip the ID check entirely. Just scan your eyes or fingerprint and head straight to screening. Most travelers think it costs $189 to $199 per year and skip it. But here's the secret. Several credit cards actually reimburse the full fee. Cards like the Amex Platinum, Amex Green, and Delta SkyMiles Reserve all offer statement credits that completely cover the cost. That means you could get VIP treatment every time you fly, for free. Clear is available at over 50 U.S. airports, and when TSA PreCheck is jammed, Clear often moves faster. You'll also feel like a jet setter. No more fishing out your ID while juggling luggage and coffee. If you already have a card that covers it, you're missing out by not using it. It's like skipping the line at a concert, but for planes. Number 9, get paid to give up your seat. Most people dread being bumped from a flight, but here's the secret. Volunteering to be bumped can be super lucrative. When flights are oversold, especially during holidays or busy weekends, airlines will ask for volunteers. You can negotiate a payout, sometimes $500 to $1,000, in vouchers or travel credit. Even better, travelers often get an upgrade on their rebooked flight. Ask the gate agent, if I volunteer, can I get upgraded later? In some cases, the answer is yes. If you're flexible, this is one of the most profitable hacks out there. One traveler reported getting bumped, earning $800 in credit, and flying first class the next day. If you're not in a rush, it's free money and a better experience. Don't just wait for the gate announcement. Approach early and ask what they're offering. In the world of airline travel, flexibility is cash. Number 10, those old bag tags could send your luggage to the wrong city. This one's simple, but most people ignore it. Leaving old baggage tags or barcodes on your suitcase can seriously confuse the airport's baggage scanning system. One airport even released a video showing how a bag with leftover tags got sent to the wrong destination. Before your next flight, take 10 seconds to peel off all previous airline stickers and routing codes. This helps ensure the system scans the correct barcode every time. It sounds minor, but frequent flyers swear by it. Bags with multiple tags are far more likely to be delayed or misrouted, especially during short connections. You've done the hard part, checking your bag, labeling it, and getting it on time. Don't risk it going MIA because of a barcode mix-up. Make it part of your routine. Check your tag before the airline does. Number 11, track your bag like a pro with an AirTag. Don't trust the airline's word, trust your own phone. Drop an Apple AirTag into your suitcase and track it in real time through your phone. These coin-sized trackers work with the Find My app and show your bag's exact location, often before the airline even knows where it is. Frequent travelers use this trick constantly. Whether it's stuck at the departure gate or left behind during a layover, you'll know. In 2024, major airlines like United and Delta even began integrating AirTag tracking into their apps. AirTags cost under $30 and last over a year. You can get them even cheaper with bundle deals or rewards points. It's simple, smart, and gives you peace of mind. You'll never have to wonder again.